Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mom and Daughters Creations. Today's video is all about 10 lines on World Nature Conservation Day. So let's start. Every year, 20th July is celebrated as World Nature Conservation Day in different countries of the world. Today, nature is facing a lot of challenges like deforestation, urbanization, the loss of flora and fauna, global warming, among other things. The main purpose of celebrating World Nature Conservation Day is to conserve the fauna and trees and plants from the natural environment of the earth. The day encourages people to save and protect its natural resources. Reduce, reuse, and recycle are the main ways to conserve nature. Conservation is a major way that we can ensure our water supply for future generations. The concept of conservation of nature depends on the reasonable management of resources. The concept of conservation of nature came into existence after the formation of the International Union for Conservation of Nature. To ensure the abundance of natural resources for every living being, conservation is very necessary. On World Nature Conservation Day, let us resolve to protect and conserve our natural resources and work towards creating a more sustainable planet. Thank you for watching.